Hey everyone, it's your favorite Pick Instant back again with another exciting video for you all. In this one, I'm going to be giving you my top 5 best laptops under $1,000 that are currently available on the market. These products have either helped me a lot in my business or just appeal to me personally. So without further ado, let's get started. Please check out the description below and all of our products that we've included with their respective buy links. At number 5. HP Envy X360. Our top recommendation is the HP Envy X360 touchscreen in the list. This 13.3-inch touchscreen laptop has 8GB RAM and excellent battery life, with a one-time charge lasting up to 11 hours and 45 minutes. If you need a laptop with good battery performance for your business, this is the right choice. This laptop supports the Windows 10 operating system, and the keyboard color is pale gold, giving the laptop a stylish appearance. In addition, to ensure security, the keyboard includes a fingerprint reader. The laptop is equipped with an 11th generation Intel registered Core-TM processor, which speeds up tasks while also providing high performance. It delivers genuinely stunning visuals for gaming, creating, and entertainment when it comes to graphic performance. Unlike many displays, the HP Envy laptop is scratch-resistant, which reduces accidental damage and provides more durable protection. A 3-sided micro-edge screen expands your viewing area, allowing you to see more of the screen. By pressing F1, you can protect your privacy data from others, and by pressing it again, you can share your screen with whomever you want. At number 4. Asus ZenBook 13. The Asus ZenBook 13 laptop has a sleek and royal design, with the entire frame made of pine gray aluminum alloy. Asus ZenBook 13 laptop has a built-in IR camera for face recognition and weighs only 2.51 pounds, making it easy to transport wherever you go. To give a clear communication experience, noise-canceling technology uses machine learning to separate human speech from unnecessary noises. The Asus ZenBook has an OLED nano-edge display that provides accurate colors at any brightness level and deep blacks for increased realism. As a result, if you are a photographer or a designer looking for the best laptop for your work, the Asus ZenBook 13 is an excellent choice that provides accurate hues like monitor calibrators. The OLED display emits 70% less harmful blue light to ensure visual comfort. The blacks on Asus OLED laptops are perfectly reproduced. Even in the darkest scenes, the images are amazingly sharp and clear. Asus laptop's responsive time is 0.2 milliseconds, indicating that the Asus OLED screen best-rated laptop works faster than other displays. As a result, you can complete your tasks quickly, and it is also ideal for gaming. A laptop's battery life is also good because it has 13-hour battery life. At number 3. HP Envy X360. If you're looking for a 2-in-1 laptop for under $1,000, the HP flagship meets all of your needs. This laptop can be flipped over to function as a tablet, made of aluminum. The HP flagship will save you money if you don't need a laptop with an IR camera or Thunderbolt 3 port options. The keyboard includes a fingerprint reader, which adds extra security to the laptop. The display on this touchscreen laptop is sharp clear, and the hues are rich and exact. HP keyboard is suitable for large and small fingers because the keys are designed with equal space and responsiveness. There are more shortcut keys to ensure quick access, such as turning on the webcam, muting the microphone, and so on, which provide instant access and save time. HP laptop comes with a 720p camera suitable for video calls and taking selfies with the HP webcam. It also has 2 speakers at the bottom of the laptop for improved audio performance. It's the ideal laptop for those looking for a premium notebook at a low cost. At number 2. Acer. Have you worried that buying a laptop will put your financial situation in trouble? And is it possible to get a good laptop for under $500? Yes, many cheap laptops on the market will save you money, but we must select the best one. Fortunately, we've compiled a list of the best budget-friendly laptops, along with their specifications, to help you out. The Acer Chromebook Spin is one of the friendly budget laptops, and the Acer Chromebook laptop is designed with an 11.6-inch HD display, and it supports Chrome operating system. Acer Chromebook includes Google applications for editing, downloading, and other tasks. This low-cost laptop offers inbuilt storage for accessing files while offline, as well as an additional 100 GB of Google Drive capacity to ensure that all of your information is automatically backed up. This laptop also has a virus protection feature that updates automatically and reduces its time to boot up the system. At number 1. Samsung. The Galaxy Book laptop from Samsung Electronics runs on the Windows 11 operating system. Samsung Galaxy Book laptop features a 15.6-inch AMOLED display. You can quickly complete your job even in direct sunshine with this brilliant viewing, and this vivid color laptop protects your eyes from harmful blue light. The Samsung Electronics Galaxy Book laptop is lightweight and portable, allowing you to take it with you anywhere you wish to work. It comes with an 11th generation core processor, which improves the laptop's performance and increases its speed. The one-time charge lasts up to 20 hours, allowing you to complete your work tasks without charging the laptop. The laptop can be recharged with a lightweight charger once the charge is finished. You can save large files and easily download documents thanks to the 512 GB storage. You can quickly connect your laptop to your phone or other devices to complete your tasks. This lightweight laptop comes with Wi-Fi 6E, which is faster than regular Wi-Fi and allows you to share and download videos and data easily. This Samsung Galaxy Pro laptop is ideal for work-from-home employees and costs about $1,000. We hope you loved the video and please tell us which products we should review next in our comment section. Thank you for spending time on our video. Please remember that there are links in the description of all products shown today.